how to fix Google Drive problem with file on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Drive problem with file on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here type drive and then click on it. And first thing you need to do here is click permissions and allow storage. Maybe you'll find it deny and allow it, and after that click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then go to power usage and go to launch settings, disable manage automatically and allow run in background. Click OK, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.